Hi, thanks for watching this first episode of This is Bosnië, or in Dutch, Dit is Bosnië. In the following videos we are going to show you the most beautiful places in Bosnia and give you the best tips and tricks what to do and where to go. Today we are at the beautiful Kravice Waterfall, so sit back, relax and enjoy this beautiful surrounding.
At the Kravice Waterfalls there are several restaurants where you can enjoy grilled dishes and fish specialties. Besides some swimming, you can rent also a canoe and paddle down the Kravice river. Thanks for watching this first episode, we hoped you enjoyed it. More videos will follow soon. See ya!